put a thing in, like play the sound.
Yeah.
So like it would go bing, 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 bing.
Yes.
You hear it, and it's not anywhere in the industries on it. It looks just like that.
Okay. Okay.
Found it. Oh wow.
Is your phone going off?
Huh?
You got a phone going off?
Spanish. Spanish.
No, I think that's something different. No. You got an iPad?
An iPad.
Oh,
That noise?
that might be his alarm. I think he put it on snooze by accident because it was going off earlier. Could it? Is your alarm going off again?
No. That's coming from
Yeah. Somebody got
Spanish.
I don't speak Spanish.
Is it in the overhead
That's
fan?
what I'm wondering. This bag. Your bag?
Some man?
Yep. I need you to step off and come with me. If you go back there, we're going to deal with something here.
Spanish?
Nope.
Oh, Spanish?
We're bringing somebody.
Huh?
We're bringing somebody over.
Okay.
iPad?
Hey.
It was just sitting there?
Nada de English. Oh, iPad.
Yeah.
En un asiento.
Not yours, right?
No.
No?
Sí, ya. No es mía.
The one in there is yours.
No es mía.
No?
Estaba en un asiento.
Then why is it in your bag?
Y el vuelo lo pierdo.
You're not flying. No. You're
Huh?
coming with us.
Oh.
No.
No bordo.
No.
Oh, es.
Just stop. We're going to get a Spanish speaker.
For the translation, though, we don't have
Thank you for your help. Okay. You're now on speaker. So if you'd like to explain to him, the sound in his bag would belong to the iPad that was not his, and then we'll go from there. Put your hands behind your back.
Oh.
Manos here.
Yes.
Aquí.
Oh, amigo.
Moral of the story, don't touch shit that's not yours. I hope y'all all heard it clearly. Don't touch shit that's not yours. I don't care if you see some Ferrari keys on the ground. You see a nice Ferrari right there. Trust me. Leave it alone, man. Leave it right there. If it ain't yours and you work hard for it, leave it right there, bro. You know, he thought it was a bandit. He should have left it a bandit.